All right, you guys, we are going to be learning about something new in math. And what we're going to be doing is decomposing a number. Super big word. Decomposing just means we're going to take a number and we're going to pull it apart into two different groups. And so I'm going to show you how we can decompose a number. A lot of you have already been doing this with me in our math groups and you just didn't even know it yet. So I'm going to show you something called a number bond, okay? And it's important that we know some of these big math words so that we are ready when it comes time for us to add and subtract, okay? And so this is a number bond, okay? You will see this coming up soon, okay? Okay, and it can be any way. It's just one big circle with two little circles coming out of it, all right? And in the big circle, this part of the circle right here, this big part, it's called the whole. I'm gonna write that, whole. And these two parts down, these two circles down here are called the parts, okay? So these two parts are gonna make the whole number, all right? These two parts are gonna make the whole number. And so when we decompose a number, we're gonna take the whole and we're gonna break it into two parts. And so I'm gonna show you guys that now, okay? We're gonna use the number 5, all right? We're gonna use the number 5. And we're gonna break it into two parts. And so what makes this a little bit easier for you and what we've been doing in a lot of our math groups is we've been using your little mini erasers that you have. And so you're gonna count out 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me put these other ones up because I don't wanna get confused. So I have 5 little mini erasers and I wanna put them into two groups. So maybe I'm gonna put, it's kind of hard for you guys to see I think on the camera, but I'm gonna put maybe 2 on this group. So let me put 2 and then 3 in this group. Right, so I have 2 and 3. And if I count all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I still only have 5. And so I took the whole 5 and I broke it into two parts, 2 and 3. And I could do it another way too. Maybe you saw it this way. I also could have done 3 on this side and 2 on this side, 3 and 2, right? I also could have done 4 on this side and 1 on this side. 4 and 1, right? And if you count them, no matter how I arrange my dots, I still have 5 dots all together, right? And so let me show you with another number. It's really important when we're decomposing a number that we make sure that we double check. We're counting to double check and make sure that we get the whole when we're all done. So let's try with 4. Maybe I want my whole to be 4. So I want you guys to take a second. I want you to think about how you could break 4 into two groups. And if you need to use dots, draw a picture. If you need to get your mini erasers and use those, you can do that. But we need to think about how we can break 4 into two groups. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. Some of you might have done it like this. Maybe you did 2 dots in one and 2 in the other. So you did it 2 and 2. Maybe some of you did it that way, right? Maybe some of you did it this way. 3 and 1. And maybe some of you even did it this way. 4 and 0, right? All of those ways, no matter what we did, we only had 4 dots all together. So we took the number 4, we broke it up into two different groups, right? That is decomposing a number. And this is going to help us get ready to be ready to add and subtract. So you guys are going to have some practice. There's going to be some games for you to play and a couple activities in Seesaw for you to practice decomposing a number, all right? We're going to practice that all this week, and I think you guys are going to really start to get the hang of it. All right, bye, guys.